always set, go!
Oh, that would have gone through. Here it is. Sarah, it's behind you, underneath the table.
You get the ball for Daddy?
Yeah, give boy that. 2.
You ready for it?
Yes.
Oh!
Oh, nice. Jack, what are you doing?
Jack. Sarah, get the ball. Under the table.
Is it under the table, Sarah?
You always is
Boring, Jack. He's done.
big.
Oh, thank you, Sarah. Here it comes.
Oh, let's try again. Oh.
Oh, try it again.
Dad, you shut the door very bullshit.
Shut the door.
Yeah, I shut the door.
Shut the door. Here we go. Oh, Dad's gonna hit it right on your foot. Oh! Here it comes, Sarah. Where are you?
Daddy needs a goalie. Where's his goalie?
Over here.
That's right. You tell him where to aim.
That's wrong.
There we go. I'm gonna do it without my shoes on. Ah!